Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Like, I want you to feel the good morning. I want you to feel it. Another day, another vlog. So today I'll be cleaning. I want to clean my house, so I want to clean it with you. And also I wanted to share, I think I'm starting this vlog today. I'm going to continue with it tomorrow. Tomorrow, one of my friends is, she turned 40 last week, so she invited us to go to a place called Olive and Plates tomorrow. So I thought of, let me just make this a continuous thing. Let me not just start tomorrow. It's in Yekale today, then we will see what we are going to do. And your girl has learned how to put some lashes. I'll show you tomorrow, cause but now I'm so confused. I don't know what to wear, guys. I don't know what to wear. She just said dress code chic, so I don't know what chic, which one, and hopefully it's not going to be cold, because Joburg weather is the pits. I wish today's weather was tomorrow's weather, because today it's so nice. It's sunny, but it has that chill end. But there's sun. So and also I need to fix my nails. That's on the other side, because I'm holding my phone, so I can't show you. The gel came out, so I need to fix that, and see what we will be up to today. But nothing much, just me cleaning this kitchen, because it's actually a mess. So let's get going. What are you up to, guys? What's up? This is the state of my kitchen, so I need to sort it out and do some cleaning. And also I did this, guys. Can't you win? Hi, read me. These are colors, and these are shapes, and these are numbers. Like, I also made this toppers. Boo. Support me, please. I beg. I'm asking you in the name of the Lord. Support me. These are cake toppers. Isn't this cute? I love them. I love them.